Surviving a 6-month home renovation usually means moving out completely. But with a strategic approach called zone-based remodeling, you can comfortably live in your home through the entire process. Zone-based remodeling divides your home into distinct, isolated phases. Instead of gutting the entire house at once, construction is completely confined to one specific area while the rest of the house remains livable. The absolute key to this method is physical separation. Heavy-duty plastic zip walls are erected from floor to ceiling, sealing off the active construction zone to prevent the chaos from bleeding into your daily life. A master plan ensures you never lose critical home functions. If the main kitchen is under construction, a temporary kitchenette with a microwave, fridge, and prep space is set up in an adjacent room. Bathroom renovations are strictly staggered. The project manager ensures that at least one fully functional, clean bathroom is always completely accessible to your family before any demolition begins on the others. Keeping the air clean is vital for a 6-month stay. Commercial negative air scrubbers are placed inside the construction zone to physically capture microscopic dust before it can circulate into your clean living spaces. To protect your floors and your privacy, dedicated work pathways are established. Crews use specific exterior doors and strict interior walking routes, keeping dirty boots far away from your active living areas. Lumber, drywall, and new cabinets take up massive amounts of space. In a zone-based remodel, materials are staged strategically in the garage or a storage pod, never cluttering up your active living room. Living through construction is mentally exhausting if it is chaotic. Zone-based projects rely on highly predictable daily schedules, so you know exactly which rooms will be noisy and exactly when the crew will leave each day. The biggest benefit is saving money. By staying in your home and tolerating a phased construction schedule, you completely eliminate the massive hidden expense of renting a temporary apartment for half a year. Stay comfortable in your home while the experts handle the heavy lifting. For strategic, zone-based home renovations and professional project management, visit bvcontractors.com or call us at 479-903-1630.